Hello, Leslie, Kamani. Here's a video for what we're starting in math. It's a new thing, so you gotta pay close attention. Multiplying two-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. For example, multiplying like something like this, 63 times 27. All right? We've not done that yet. We've done things like four-digit times one-digit, which is 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 6 times 4 is 24, so 24,848. Problems like that. We've done that, but we have not done two-digit times two digits, so we're going to start that today. We're going to start really simple, though. We're going to start doing just with like multiples of 10. Multiplying multiples of 10 together. Now, we can use our basic fact, right? Now, we've used basic facts to solve problems like this. 60 times 4. Cover the 0. You know 6 times 4 is 24. But since it's a multiple of 10, you add the 0. That. The difference here, use our basic fact. 6 times 4 is 24. But now we've got two multiples of 10. We've got 6 tens here and 4 tens here. Well, 6 tens and 4 tens, that's 100. And anytime you have a multiple of 100, you put 2 zeros. Or you could just look at it like this. 6 times 4 is 24. 0 and 60, put a 0 in the answer. 0 and 40, put a 0 in the answer. All right? So let's practice a few of those. So for example, let's say we have 70 times 50. Well, 70 times 5, we know 7 times 5 is 35. Since it's a multiple of 10, we put a 0 in the ones place. Here, cover that up. We got 7 times 5 is 35. So now we've got two multiples of 10. So that means we have 0 in the tens place and the ones place. So 3,500. So for every 0 in our multiples, it's a 0 you got to put on in your product. Not our multiples, our factors, I'm sorry. Every 0 that you see in the factors, you got to put one of those zeros in the product. Let's try a few more. Let's say we have 80 times 30. Okay, well, pretend the zeros aren't there for starters. 8 times 3. If you know your facts, you know 8 times 3 is 40. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 80 times 30 is 2,400. I think this should be fairly simple for you to get the hang of. 60 times 20. Start out. Pretend the zeros aren't there. 6 times 2 is 12. 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. So 60 times 20, 1,200. A couple more. Just help you get the hang of it. Again, these videos, you should always go back and re-watch them if you need to. Watch them as many times as you need. 70 times 30. Pretend the zeros aren't there. Basic fact, 7 times 3 is 21. 0, 0. So you got 2,100. One more. All right, let's do 90 times 8. Pretend the zeros aren't there. So you got 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. 0, 0, 0, 0. So 90 times 80 is 7,200. Okay. Got it? Good. Let's show you how we can use that to solve something like this. Let's say we have 83 times 47. All right. What we're going to do is a strategy we used before. This is called partial products. it might be a good idea for you to be in your notebook right now, writing these down, solving them with me. So if you don't have your notebook with you right now, you might want to pause this video and go get your notebook. All right, hopefully you have your notebook now. So we're going to break this up into parts. There's going to be 4 partial products that we have here. For example, we have 3 here and 7 here. So this is 3 times 7. Now this is a mistake that a lot of people will make. Now we got to multiply this part. And so they're going to want to put 3 times 4. That's not right. This 4 is in the tens place. 4 tens is 40, not 4. So this should be 3 times 40. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 40. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus the 0 is 120. Done that. So that was 3 times 7 right there and 3 times 40 right there. But now we need to multiply both parts by this. Now this is 8 in the tens place. It's not 8, right? It's 80. So we got 80 times 7. We got 80 times, not 4, 40. All right, so then we cover the 0 to help us. 8 times 7 is 56. 0 in the ones place, 560. 8 times 4 is 32. 0 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place, 3,200. So we have got these 4 partial products. They're all just part of the whole product. So when we have partial products, now we take all these partial products and we add them back together, right? I start with the largest and work my way down to the smallest. So 3,200 plus 560. 3,760, so I've added those two. Let's add 120. 3,880, we've added that. Let's add 21. We get 3,901. Let me make sure I did it correctly. Doesn't look like I have any mistakes. Sometimes when I rush, I make mistakes. Doesn't look like I did here. So our product is 3,901. So 83 times 47 is 3,901 right there. Okay, let's try another one. Again, this strategy is called partial products, when we multiply 2-digit numbers times another 2-digit number. How about 37 times about 28? Okay, so we know we're going to have 4 partial products. Let's see. Let's start by multiplying 7 by both these parts. So we got 7 times 8. And then we got 7 times 20, not 7 times 2, but 7 times 20. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 20 is 140. Now we got to multiply both parts by 30. So we got 30 times 8. And we got 30 times 20. Not 2, 20. 30 times 8, well, that's 240. 30 times 20, 3 times 2 is 6. 0 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. Let's add them all up. 600 plus 240, 840. 840 plus 140 is 980. And then plus 56. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1,036. Let me check it over. Oh, that's not a comma. That's a regrouping, right? Exactly. We got it. So 37 times 28, 1,036. Hopefully you're getting the hang of it. And again, if I go by too quickly, pause, rewind, watch the video again, okay? Boy, Mr. Jensen needs a haircut, doesn't he? I'm frizzing out all over. How about next weekend I get my hair cut? Let's do one more, and then I'm going to end this video, okay? Let's try, let's see. My favorite number is 22. Anytime I was on a sports team, that's the number I like to wear on my jersey is 22. So how about 22 times, I don't know, how about 36? Sound good? Set up our 4 partial products. I'll tell you what, why don't you pause the video really quick and give this one a shot, see how you do. Then come on back, see if you get the same thing as I do. Okay, hopefully you solved it and you're back. Let's look at our 4 partial products. We got 2 times 6. And then we got 2 times 30, not 2 times 3, 2 times 30. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 30 is 60. And now we've got 20 times 6. And we've got 20 times 30, not 3, 30. 20 times 6 is 120. 20 times 30, let's use our basic fact. 2 times 3 is 6. 0 in the tens, 0 in the ones. So those are 4 partial products. Let's add them up. We could almost add them up mentally, but it's probably a good idea to write it all down. So there's those 2 added together. Let's add 60. 80. Let's add 12. 792. Let's make sure I got it all right. Looks good. So 22 times 36 is 792. All right. Well, I guess you couldn't see me add everything, could you? I suppose on all those you couldn't see me do all the adding. So nice, Mr. Jensen. No one saw you adding them up. But anyway, so that is multiplying 2-digit times 2-digit using the partial product strategy, okay? Be looking in the seesaw for me to give you a couple of these to try and solve. Again, this video is going to be in seesaw. You should be watching it repeatedly if you need to. Come back to it to review, all right? Okay, talk to you later.